Southeastern Monroe County in northeast Pennsylvania, Morris County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Morristown, Sussex County in northwest New Jersey. This includes the city of Newton, northern Warren County in northwest New Jersey, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Columbia, or 17 miles southeast of Mount Pocono, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Hope and Blairstown around 4:50 p.m. Great Meadows and Great Meadows, Vienna around 5 p.m. Alamogee, Panther Valley and Hackettstown around 5:05 p.m. Hackettstown around 5:10 p.m. Red Lake and Andover around 5:15 p.m. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris, Sussex, and Warren.